immensely, because the entire movement of the vehicles will be through RFID only. There will be minimal interference of manual this thing. So it will help us tremendously. We have already taken one workshop, how we have understood, CISF has understood how RFID functions. So it will be helping us, because we have migrated from manual to automatic system. So this will be certainly helpful for us, and it will reduce the time of waiting time for the vehicle owners, as well as it will be helpful for the owners of the cargo.
Yeah, the RFID system will enable the port to kind of identify the proper vehicles. I think this is the first time this system has been integrated with Vahan portal also. So therefore we'll get a kind of a details about the vehicle, the driver details, the cargo which will be kind of handled and transported in the port. The improvisation done is the Vahan kind of an integration, whereby we will know that the vehicle which is coming in is properly a proper vehicle with proper registration, proper PUC certification, and then the driver details, which is linked to the truck. The driver details will be available, and when he comes in and when he goes back, the cargo details. So the CISF here will be able to see all the details regarding the vehicle, and then the vehicle need not stop here. Once he scans the RFID card assigned to the particular truck, this will automatically open and it can go. So it's a brilliant access system which may not require much manpower, and it will also enable the CISF to properly monitor the trucks. So all the ports have some kind of an automated RFID system, access system. But I think I'm told that this is the first time we have integrated that with Vahan, so that the data which is being accessed is a kind of a real data from the government portal, which will ensure that the certificates which the vehicles are having are genuine ones, including the PUC certificates. And the moment the certificate expires, the system will give an alert, whereby we can stop a particular truck and ask him to bring the updated certificate. POSCO project.
Yes.
No, right now we have appointed a consultant who is making all the environment impact studies, which we need to submit to the Department of Environment for the EC purpose. So right now our focus is on that, and we have also requested the state government to give us an encroachment-free land for the project. At least the households in the project footprint those houses need to be relocated. So right now we are focusing on the consultants, that report, to complete the formalities first, and then we'll go and have a discussion with the state government also.